Where are you going? We got everything we need here. We got Baileys, creamy, and everything we need. I'll get you another Baileys.
I'm fine.
Jean-Claude Jacquetti hairdryer. Do you know Jean-Claude Jacquetti, the French designer? Oh, yeah, a few people know him. He's genius. Have you seen the advert? It's amazing. You must have. It goes like this. Jean-Claude Jacquetti, mother's jacket on. Jean-Claude Jacquetti, mother's jacket on. Jean-Claude Jacquetti, I put his jacket on. Jean-Claude Jacquetti, I put his jacket on. Jacket on, jacket on, jacket on, jacket on. Oh, stylish. Oh, what a man. Boys and Paris. With a dying haversack, looking to the future, with a telescope drawing on the path with an eagle claw, eagle claw, boing, boing, boing. Take a fashion coin, drop it in the pocket of your bum bag, take it to Milan, take it to Japan, take it to the man with the battle plan.
Soup, super tasty soup, super spicy carrot and coriander, chili chowder, crouton, crunchy friends in a liquid broth. I am gazpacho, oh, I am a summer soup, miso, fighting in the dojo, miso, Oriental prince in the land of soup.
Classic times.
Crazy days.